Okay, so I want to show you how to complete the Energy Museum Day 1 assignment. So you're going to need two things open. You're going to have to open up this link, and then you're going to need to have your Once you click on the link, it will start giving you verbal instruction, so you should listen to that. But you're going to need your Energy Museum open, and then you're going to need your document open for you to fill out. So on the document, it asks you for 5 types of potential energy. The first thing you're going to do is click on the potential energy picture, and you'll see the 5 types of energy there. So next thing you have to do is just kind of keep flipping back and forth. Types of kinetic energy. So you'll go over here and click on the lightning bolt picture to find out types of kinetic energy. As you explore the museum, you're going to end up filling out this whole worksheet. You're going to give me 5 types of potential energy, 5 types of kinetic. You're going to give me examples and the definition for our types of energy, such as mechanical, radiant, sound, chemical, electrical, nuclear, and thermal. You're going to explain what miscent stands for. And then you're going to give me examples of energy transformations. And this is all in the museum. So for the types of energy, you would click right here, types of energy. And then each picture takes you to a type of energy. For energy transformations, you would click on the energy transformations link. And then you can read about the energy transformations. And you need to watch the video about the energy transformations also. If you're having any trouble with links, or if you're confused about how to get this completed, just make sure you go ahead and comment on that assignment.